Welcome to a budget-friendly small garden glow-up designed to transform a compact outdoor space into a peaceful retreat. This project blends minimal Zen aesthetics with lush tropical charm, creating a calming environment without expensive materials. From the entrance gate to the cozy seating area, every detail focuses on affordability, natural textures, and thoughtful layout. This makeover proves that even the smallest garden can become a refreshing escape filled with greenery, balance, and soothing atmosphere. The transformation begins at the entrance, where a simple gate becomes a focal point using budget-friendly wood slats arranged in clean horizontal lines. The minimalist design reflects Zen inspiration, while the natural wood tone blends beautifully with tropical greenery. A matte black handle adds contrast without increasing cost. This entry instantly signals a peaceful space ahead, showing that small upgrades can dramatically change the entire garden's mood. A gravel pathway becomes the backbone of the garden layout. Instead of expensive paving stones, affordable peat gravel is framed using recycled bricks or wooden edging. This approach provides texture and visual organization while maintaining a natural Zen-inspired look. The soft crunch underfoot enhances sensory experience, guiding visitors gently into the garden while keeping installation costs low and maintenance simple. Along the pathway edges, layers of tropical plants create a lush yet organized look. Budget-friendly options like ferns, small palms, and leafy shrubs provide rich greenery without overwhelming the space. Taller plants sit in the back while compact varieties fill the front. This layered arrangement adds depth, making the garden appear larger and more immersive despite its small footprint. One corner of the garden transforms into a simple Zen feature using sand, smooth stones, and a single sculptural plant. The clean lines contrast beautifully with the surrounding tropical foliage. A small rake pattern in the sand introduces meditative texture, while the minimal composition keeps costs extremely low. This peaceful element brings balance and visual breathing room to the lush environment. To make the most of limited space, a vertical garden is installed using affordable wall-mounted planters or repurposed wooden pallets. Trailing plants cascade downward, softening hard surfaces and adding visual height. This vertical layering increases greenery without taking up floor space. The result is a vibrant wall that enhances both Zen simplicity and tropical richness. A small wooden bench becomes the heart of the garden. Built from budget lumber or repurposed pallets, it offers a cozy place to relax and enjoy the greenery. Neutral cushions and earthy tones add comfort while maintaining minimalist aesthetics. Positioned carefully, the bench faces the lush plants, turning a simple seat into a peaceful retreat. Scattered stepping stones create gentle movement through the garden. Instead of expensive slabs, DIY concrete stones or reclaimed tiles provide a cost-effective solution. Their irregular placement enhances the organic Zen style, while moss or ground cover between stones softens the look. This feature makes the garden feel curated yet naturally flowing. Large leaf plants instantly create a tropical atmosphere. Budget-friendly varieties with bold foliage add visual drama without requiring many plants. Placing them strategically near corners and seating areas builds a lush canopy effect. Their vibrant green tones contrast with neutral gravel and wood elements, creating a harmonious balance between minimal and tropical. The existing fence receives a fresh coat of paint in soft earthy or muted gray tones. This affordable upgrade instantly modernizes the space while supporting the calm Zen aesthetic. The neutral backdrop allows plants to stand out, making greenery appear richer and more vibrant. A simple repaint can dramatically elevate the entire garden. Soft solar-powered lights are placed along the pathway and near plants. These lights provide gentle illumination without wiring or electricity costs. The warm glow enhances the garden's tranquil mood at night, highlighting textures and foliage. This subtle lighting transforms the space into a cozy evening retreat. A small water feature adds soothing sound without large expense. A simple bowl fountain or recycled container with a small pump creates gentle trickling water. This calming audio element strengthens the Zen atmosphere while complementing tropical plants. The reflective surface also adds visual interest in the compact garden. Various planters in clay, cement, and wood create texture diversity. Using different heights adds visual rhythm, while neutral tones maintain cohesion. Budget-friendly pots arranged in clusters give the impression of curated landscaping. This layered planter approach enhances both tropical density and minimalist structure. A bamboo screen adds privacy and tropical charm. Installed along one side, it softens boundaries and introduces warm texture. This affordable material complements the Zen design while enhancing the garden's cozy atmosphere. The natural vertical lines also make the space feel taller and more enclosed. Low-growing plants fill empty spaces between stones and along edges. These ground-cover plants create a soft carpet effect, reducing bare areas and enhancing lushness. Their spread helps unify the design while requiring minimal maintenance. This simple addition makes the garden feel fuller and more inviting. Carefully placed stones add visual interest throughout the garden. Grouped in odd numbers, they follow traditional Zen principles. These stones break up greenery and create focal points without cluttering the space. Their natural texture reinforces the calm and balanced aesthetic. Small canopy plants provide gentle shade and vertical interest. Their leaves filter sunlight, creating dappled patterns across the gravel. This interplay of light and shadow enhances the peaceful atmosphere. Even in a compact garden, layered heights make the space feel immersive. Handmade decorations such as wooden signs, small lanterns, or stone arrangements add personality. These DIY elements maintain budget control while making the garden unique. Subtle placement ensures the design remains minimalist and uncluttered. The color palette remains intentionally simple. Rich greens dominate, while gravel, wood, and stone provide neutral contrast. This balance merges tropical lushness with Zen minimalism. The result feels calm yet vibrant, peaceful yet alive. corners are filled with plant clusters at varying heights. This technique maximizes space while maintaining airflow. The layered arrangement makes the garden appear denser without overcrowding. Every corner becomes visually meaningful. As evening falls, solar lights illuminate leaves and stones. Shadows create depth, and the water feature reflects gentle movement. The small garden transforms into a tranquil nighttime escape. This glow-up extends enjoyment beyond daytime. Walking through the finished garden reveals a cohesive design. The minimalist gate leads to gravel paths, lush tropical layers, and a peaceful zen corner. Every element works together to maximize space while staying budget-friendly. The garden feels balanced, calm, and inviting. This budget-friendly small garden glow-up proves that thoughtful design matters more than expensive materials. By combining minimal Zen principles with lush tropical plants, the space becomes a relaxing sanctuary. Simple upgrades, DIY elements, and natural textures create harmony throughout. With creativity and careful planning, even the smallest garden can transform into a peaceful, beautiful outdoor retreat.